Hello everyone, we are from second group of 3B class in English Language Education of Unixa. Now, we are going to explain about the learning frameworks. It is TPACK. What is TPACK? TPACK is the technological, pedagogical, and content knowledge. In the TPACK, there are three types of knowledge. The first one is content knowledge. Content knowledge is a material substance of learning. And the second is pedagogical knowledge. Pedagogical knowledge is a strategy of learning. And the third is technological knowledge. Technological knowledge is a tools of learning. Combination between technological knowledge and the content knowledge, we can say technological content knowledge. And combination between pedagogical knowledge and the content knowledge, we can say pedagogical content knowledge. And combination between pedagogical knowledge and the technological knowledge, we can say technological pedagogical knowledge.
Technological knowledge, or TPACK. It's about how technology is used. In this site, teachers know how to use technology that can help in learning activities. For example, Internet as of learning resources and learning tools for students, and how to use web tools like Google for search the material. Pedagogical knowledge, or TPACK. It's about how teachers teach the learning materials. Proper and creative use of models and methods can make learning more effective. That can use such as classroom management, taxonomies, planning, and assessment. For this aspect, using problem-based learning for teaching in the class or learning approach like constructivism, social collaboration, and social constructivism. They all can be one of the learning model that can use in the class.
Content knowledge describes about teachers' own knowledge of the subject matter. Content knowledge may include knowledge of concepts, theories, evidence, and organizational frameworks within a particular subject matter. It may also include the values, best practice, and established approach to communicating this information to students. Content knowledge will also differ according to discipline and grade level. For example, middle school science and math classes require less detail and scope than undergraduate or graduate course. So, their various instructor content knowledge may differ, or the content knowledge that each class imparts to its students will differ. PCK links together the pedagogical and content knowledge to bring about learning that's built upon strong subject knowledge and teaching and learning strategies. As teachers, we have to know the concept of PCK because PCK is required to simplify a subject and teach it effectively to our students. PCK can only be mastered by teachers, and that is central to teachers' work that wouldn't typically be held by non-teaching subject matter experts or by teachers who know little of that subject. For the example, pedagogical content knowledge is when the teacher explains the concept of chemical material about stoichiometry to students, the teacher must be able to simplify the learning and teach it effectively to students. This can be done by giving lectures on the material being taught or providing example of complex learning videos. Then the teacher can test understanding students with a group approach and provide opinions about what students know from the learning that has been taught.
Technological plus content knowledge, or TCK. TCK links together technology and content knowledge to bring about learning that is built upon subject knowledge and mastery of more than the subject they teach. It means understanding the relationship between content and tools, and its abilities to modify and manipulate with tools. So here, the teachers and students know how to use technology to support research in that field or study that field. For example, students can search for material about simple present tense by searching on Google or on YouTube using a phone, laptop, or computer. Technological and Pedagogical Knowledge, or TPK. TPK is an understanding of how teaching and learning can change when particular technologies are used in particular ways. Knowing a range tools and their appropriateness within different strategies, in which you know how to use technology to support teaching, and understanding the application of technological tools for specific group and intentionally selecting tools. For example, during this COVID-19 pandemic, teachers conducted a lecture method of learning to students through technology in the form of a phone, a laptop, or a computer by means of online meetings. In addition, the teachers assigns assignments online to students using an application such as Google Classroom, Schoology, and others web.
The definition of technological pedagogical content knowledge, or TPACK, is knowledge of using various technologies to teach and represent and facilitate knowledge creation of specific subject content. So here, TPACK has ability to connect pedagogy, content, and knowledge, which is needed by the teacher to integrate and increase the benefits of learning, because it can help teachers deliver learning more effectively to students. And remember to be purposeful when making application in each region. Okay, that's all about our material. Thank you for watching, and we hope all of you understand about the material.